Ever found yourself at the checkout, M1 Finance card in hand, wondering, will this even work here? Or maybe you're online, about to hit purchase, and that little voice in your head asks, is M1 Finance accepted? If you've ever had these thoughts, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the practicality of the M1 Finance card. Can you truly use it seamlessly in-store and online for all your everyday spending? For years, M1 Finance has been known as a powerful platform for long-term investing, automated portfolios, and even borrowing against your investments. But with the introduction of the M1 Spend account and its associated debit card, the game changed. Suddenly, M1 wasn't just about growing your wealth, it was also about managing your everyday cash. And that immediately raises questions for anyone used to traditional banking. Is this a full-fledged debit card that can stand up to the ubiquity of a Visa or MasterCard from a traditional bank? Or is it more limited, designed primarily for internal M1 transactions? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of in-store and online usage, let's quickly set the stage for what the M1 Finance card actually is. When we talk about the M1 Finance card, we're primarily referring to the M1 Spend debit card. This card is linked to your M1 Spend checking account, which is FDIC insured up to $250,000 through Lincoln Savings Bank. It's a Visa debit card, which is a crucial detail we'll explore further. There's also the M1 Owner's Rewards Card by Visa, a credit card designed to offer cashback on specific purchases, particularly from companies you invest in through M1. While both are M1 Finance cards, their functionality and acceptance mechanisms differ, and for the most part, when people ask about in-store and online use, they are referring to the debit card. So, for the majority of this discussion, we'll be focusing on the M1 Spend debit card, but we will touch upon the credit card where relevant. So, let's tackle the big question first. Can you use the M1 Finance Spend debit card in store? The short answer is a resounding yes. And here's why. It's a Visa debit card. Visa is one of the most widely accepted payment networks in the world. From your local grocery store to a bustling department store, a cozy coffee shop to a massive electronics retailer, virtually any merchant that accepts Visa will accept your M1 Finance debit card. This means you can swipe, insert, or tap your card just like any other debit card you've ever used. Think about your daily routine. You go to the supermarket. Visa accepted? Yes. You buy gas. Visa accepted? Yes. You grab lunch at a fast food restaurant. Visa accepted? Yes. This universal acceptance is a massive advantage for the M1 Spend card. There's no need to wonder if a specific store has a special agreement with M1 Finance. As long as they process Visa, you're good to go. Now, a quick note on chip readers and contactless payments. The M1 Spend debit card comes equipped with EMV chip technology, providing enhanced security for in-person transactions. Simply insert your card into the chip reader, and you will typically be prompted to enter your PIN or sign for the transaction, depending on the merchant's setup. Furthermore, many M1 Spend cards also support contactless payments, NFC, allowing you to simply tap your card on compatible terminals for quick and convenient checkouts. This is becoming increasingly prevalent, especially in busy retail environments, and the M1 card keeps pace with these modern payment methods. What about ATMs? While not strictly in-store purchasing, it's related to in-person access to your funds. Can you withdraw cash with your M1 Finance debit card? Absolutely. Because it's a Visa debit card, you can use it at any ATM that displays the Visa or Plus Network logo. M1 Finance also offers some ATM fee reimbursements depending on your M1 Plus subscription status. For M1 Plus members, M1 will reimburse 4 ATM fees per month. For non-M1 Plus members, there are no ATM fee reimbursements. This means you might incur fees from the ATM operator, so it's always good to be mindful of that, but the functionality for cash withdrawals is definitely there. Now, let's shift our focus to the digital realm. Can you use the M1 Finance Spend debit card online? Again, the answer is a definitive yes. And for the very same reason as in-store usage, it's a Visa debit card. Any online merchant that accepts Visa will accept your M1 Finance debit card. Whether you're shopping on Amazon, ordering food from your favorite delivery app, subscribing to a streaming service, or paying bills online, your M1 Finance debit card will function just like any other Visa debit card. You simply enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, into the payment fields, just as you would with any other card. Consider the vast landscape of online transactions. E-commerce sites, digital marketplaces, SaaS subscriptions, utility bill payments, almost all of them process payments through major card networks like Visa. This makes the M1 Spend debit card a highly versatile tool for managing your online spending. There are no hidden limitations or special requirements. If the website accepts Visa, your M1 card is good to go. A common concern with online transactions is security. M1 Finance, like all reputable financial institutions, employs various security measures to protect your online transactions. This includes fraud monitoring, encryption for data transmission, and the ability to instantly lock or unlock your card through the M1 app if you suspect unauthorized activity. These features provide peace of mind when using your card for online purchases. Now, what about the M1 Owner's Rewards Card by Visa, the credit card? Its acceptance in-store and online is even simpler to explain. It's a Visa credit card. This means it has the exact same ubiquitous acceptance as the debit card. Everywhere Visa credit cards are accepted, which is virtually everywhere credit cards are accepted, the M1 Owner's Rewards Card will work. The primary difference with the credit card isn't its acceptance, but rather its reward structure, which incentivizes spending with companies you already hold in your M1 portfolio. So, if you're wondering if you can use the M1 credit card at your local store or your favorite online retailer, the answer is unequivocally yes, just like any other Visa credit card. Let's talk about some nuances and best practices when using your M1 Finance cards. Payment processors. Occasionally, a smaller online merchant might use a less common payment processor that, for some obscure reason, doesn't fully support all Visa functionalities. This is exceedingly rare with major payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, acting as a guest checkout, Square, etc., but if you ever encounter an issue online, it's almost certainly on the merchant's payment processor side, not an inherent limitation of the M1 card itself. In such a rare scenario, try an alternative payment method if available, or contact the merchant directly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.